Okay, so before we get into the fundamentals of shooting, let's get into the fundamentals of safety. So we're gonna go through the safety rules one more time. Number one, treat our guns as if they're loaded at all times. That's like the fundamental rule. Always treat your gun as if it's loaded. All the time, every time. Never point a firearm. Always point a firearm in a safe direction. We've said before, you got your firearm. Tell me there's a laser coming out, and don't point that laser at anything you're not willing to destroy. So always, always, always point your firearm in a safe direction. All right. Number three, know your target and what's beyond. So always know exactly what you're shooting at, what's above it, what's beside it, what's behind it, everything. Know that. Number four, I usually say number three, but number four is keep your finger off the trigger until you're on target and you've made the decision to shoot. So usually when you first get the firearm, we'll go over this. This is that's how you want to hold that gun. Good grip on the gun, finger off the trigger and outside of the trigger guard, okay? Not on the trigger, not on the trigger guard. Finger should be up here, all right? That's where you go. All right, and so one final, and another safety rule, well, one final one, always look your gun back into your holster. But the last one is never try to catch a falling firearm. Firearm falls, it's dropping, just let it hit the ground. Modern day striker firearms are made to drop safety, so they're made to not go off when they hit the ground, just made to go off when you fire the trigger. So those are the rules, 4+1. Follow those rules and we'll be good to go. When we're doing them, safety is paramount. So when we go through these fundamentals, just always think the firearm rules. You'll hear them all throughout my channel on a lot of different videos. We'll always go over safety. Safety is paramount. Safety is most important. And I think I said before, if you're shooting, have your IFAC, individual first aid kit. We'll go over that too in a later video. So if you're shooting, follow the firearm safety rules, have an IFAC, and we'll do it. All right, let's start talking fundamentals.